All right, hello everyone, welcome back.
Welcome back to the second part of our 3D printing video. After we put together the H2D.
H2D, yeah.
Like you saw in the previous video, we unboxed the
We
new
set up the
H2D Bamboo Lab 3D printer.
Yeah, and we let it set to print the first benchy.
Exactly. Let's go to the other part of the studio of the Happy Gaming House office.
Let's go.
Do it. Let's go.
Here we are at the printer.
We had to walk a long way to make it to the printer.
Over the past couple of days, I print several things, right?
Okay.
First of all, of course, for every printer, I'm gonna do like a benchy. All right, so that's a benchy. However, this benchy does not look very good, as you can see. Like, you can see a very big dent over here, right? I don't know what happened. It didn't happen on my X1 and my P1, so then I was like, okay, maybe it's like I have to like recalibrate after I update the firmware and set up the AMS with all the weight on top. But then the second one came out,
And it has
same
the
thing.
Same. Yeah, it has
Exact
the
same thing. I'm guessing if I print another one, it's gonna be the same.
Have you tried turning it off and on again?
Also, for example, like this one, I see it only used like a very small part of the printing plate. Maybe it's sliced for the smaller machines.
Gotcha.
Maybe I will do, what I will do is to slice it one more time in Bamboo Studio to fit H2D.
You already started printing more things, bro?
Yeah, I couldn't wait, right? This is just the
normal,
very
the
good
regular
bamboo razor, right? It's,
as soon as you get your printer, I think this one is one of
yeah,
the...
you can scrape your print off the print bed, or you can cut the filament with it.
And
you can.
The razor, it comes actually with the machine, right?
Yes,
Like they give you like all these things,
the
right?
razor and the two screws. The second thing I printed,
Is that a slide?
you could say it. It's a poop chute.
So it's a toilet.
Yeah. So every time before one print, they will spit out like a piece or two of these filament like poops.
It looks like a rabbit poop.
Yeah.
So
So
don't ask me why I know this. But
actually, these two things.
I was gonna ask you, how long did it took, like...
You mean speed-wise?
Speed-wise, and also like the space, right? Like it's bigger, like we were saying in the first video.
Yeah.
So
So
would you
for
have a
example, for
difference?
this one, I don't see much of a time difference because the slicing is actually, I believe it's for the X1 or the P1 as well. This one, I don't know because as you can see, it's for H2D. H2D is way bigger than the X1 or the P1.
We can ask the team to print it back in Beijing.
It
to see
will
how
not
it goes.
work because it will not fit in the X1.
There you go. How long does it took that one to print?
9 hours, 32 minutes.
Okay, perfect.
Right, just for the reference, the scraper grip is for 1 hour, 4 minutes. Benchy is 23 minutes.
Okay. Oh yeah, for the thing that we
So
said.
then I printed like, remember I said like I have a garden lamp, the spike is broken. So I printed this one. I haven't tried it yet, but I think it's too thin. Well, then I printed something very cool, but I want to show you that one.
That one is gonna be the last one, right?
Yeah. So this one actually I want to show you because H2D made it possible to print. This is like 2-piece, right?
Yep.
It's like 2 pieces. For X1 or P1s, you can only print one part at a time.
Okay.
The printing time in total is not that much of a difference of like 13, 14 hours, right?
But it's more convenient, right?
But
Like
then,
in
for
terms of
example,
not changing
like
things.
for 13 hours, you have to wait at least 6, 7 hours for one part to be done, and then you have to take it out.
Take everything.
You have to like clean everything and do the other one.
Basically, like if I understand it correctly, what you did is like you put the file here, you started to printing, and then you
Yeah, I went to bed.
continue your life for 12
Yeah,
hours.
I went to bed. This thing is like a 14-hour, 24 minutes. Well, actually, like I just put it last night, and
Yeah, you continue your life.
Yeah.
You forgot about your printing.
Yeah.
You came back.
Yeah.
Everything is ready.
Yeah.
You don't have to change anything. You don't have to clean until it finishes.
Yeah.
So that's a point for the H2D, yeah?
Also, for a lot of the small toys,
Yeah.
like multicolor ones, the more you print, you actually save filament, right? Because it's less. Well, every time you change a
The
color,
changes, yeah.
you actually use it more to print more stuff. This is good for that as well. Like for example, like a small toy production or multicolor stuff.
Gotcha.
Right?
I'm gonna show the picture like Tian-chan.
Yeah,
Remember the
here.
EVs that we were doing?
So yeah, this thing is pretty cool.
But wait,
can
you
just
didn't
put,
tell us what it is?
You know I like Coke, right? Well, Coca-Cola, not the other Coke.
Hey, not because I'm Mexican, eh? I only give him Coca-Cola.
Well, yeah.
Say my name.
You can just load your Coke in there. Load your Coke in there. The new ones will always go on top, right? And the bottom one you take will be the
First you
oldest
take the
one
old ones.
you
It will keep
put in.
refreshing.
Yeah, it's always going to be like that.
The material can go into the freezer, into the fridge, right?
Yes.
You don't have any issues. Like,
Technically, PETGs are food grade. Remember we were talking about like the waste? Now they have these like tining poops. Back then, each one of them will be like at least like 3 of these, I guess. Like 2 or 3 of them together.
that was like the,
That was the old one.
like the old one. They were like the, how much waste they were
How
doing.
much waste every time
Wow.
you print, right? So right now it's just like very tiny pieces. Very, very tiny pieces.
This is amazing.
For the last thing we're gonna show you, I'm gonna show you how much waste it has poured out. So this is about how much waste it produced for the last printing I want to show you. And we are going to make it, like you can hold it with one hand. And we are going to ask the
Team back
office
in
in Beijing to print it with the X1
To see how much
to see
waste.
how much waste it has.
So you want to show the latest one that we
Right,
have?
let me go get it.
So we
Just-
saved the best.
For the last.
There you go.
Right, so this is what we're gonna show you. White piece of paper in the frame.
Just show what we're gonna do.
Just kidding. This is something called a lithophane. So what this is a, it's called the CMYK. It's like you can use these 4 different colors to mix into like other colors, right?
Okay.
This one, let me just show you first and I will talk later. 3, 2, 1.
Let it be live.
Woohoo. Yeah, so here we go, our logo, Happy Gaming House.
And I think it's really cool. Like if you see it, I like how the colors look, the
Yeah.
color and everything. Like I think these kind of things, we can actually make it for like for a gift.
Yeah.
Print any pictures, like memories.
Yeah.
How long does this took?
Well, actually not that long. I think for this one it's only like 5 hours because the color are very simple, right? This is the actual picture itself,
Yep.
right? And yeah, this frame in one piece actually, it's 3 hours or so.
3 hours.
So yeah, this is like just LED boards with Type-C in the back.
With this beautiful model that we have here from the Happy Gaming House logo, I think we come up to the end of the video.
That's pretty much it for today, and yeah, we will keep testing this machine. We will print out some more fun, like for example the helmet.
We're gonna do a helmet. Also, we were doing some like we printed our faces to make some statues.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Stay
let's see
tuned
how
for that.
goes. Keep watching and subscribe to our videos.
Yep.
So thank you. Hope you liked the video. See you next time.
See you. Bye.